Everyone, welcome back to another video. Not going to be too long this video, just a short one really. I'll insert a clip of what's going on, but yeah, white Audi sold. I got my black Audi back. Yeah, you read from the thumbnail, catastrophic engine failure I bought it with, and it's fixed. It's back on the road. Yeah, so it's not going to be long this video. I just wanted to let you know what's going on. The white Audi's gone. I got the right money for that. Made a good bit of profit on it, to be fair. So that's all gone. Got the bits sorted on it with Joe the mechanic and that. Waiting to get the lay-on back. Joe's still not done that. We've had a few issues with it. So yeah, still waiting for that basically. But yeah, got the black Audi back from Christian the mechanic finally, and that's on the road. And the white Audi's gone. So driving the black Audi until it sells basically. But yeah, that's about it. It's gonna be a short one really. Oh, videos we're changing from twice a week uploading to once a week uploading. I'm thinking possibly every Wednesday, so the quality of the videos can be much better rather than just quantity and quantity and quantity. I'd much rather quality than quantity, because it will make the videos better and it'd be more interesting for people watching. So yeah, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Hello people. Yeah, as you can see in the background, I've got the black Audi back. The white Audi sold yesterday. I know I said I was going to do a build series on it, but got offered the right money for it, so it had to go. So I've got the black Audi back from Christian. I was debating keeping it and doing a project on it, build series for the channel, but I'm not sure. Like, if I get offered the right money for it, it can go. It's really nice. It is so quick. 2 litre TFSI DSG. If you know these cars, they're fast, very fast. Yeah, it's lovely. It's a black S-Line black edition, so need to change the number plates over. But yeah, it's got the Bose speakers on that and DSG flat bottom with paddles. So it's a really nice car. Just I can't keep it. It's too expensive to run on petrol and that. But yeah, the white Audi's gone. I might do a few videos on this, but yeah, stay tuned to what's to come. Yeah, that's black Audi back from Christian mechanic. Christian, if you're watching this video, thank you. You've done an amazing job on it. So yeah, boom. So I'll get Charlie editor to put in a couple of pictures of the Audi after I had it cleaned today. So after I had it cleaned, it come out quite nice, to be fair. So I'll get him to put some pictures up and show you how it is. Also got some news coming soon about the black Audi, which is going to make it's bad for me, but it's going to make an amazing video. So I can't tell you too much, but yeah, we've got some serious news from it. Yeah, so you want to stay tuned as well. But yeah, thank you very much for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit post notifications for all the content yet to come. Uploading every Wednesday from now on at 6 PM. So the uploads are going to be much better than they have been and much more enjoyable basically. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see any videos or any ideas or what you want to see or any questions. I always try my best to respond as quick as I can, especially when I'm busy and that. But yeah, thank you all for watching. I really appreciate that. 220 subscribers now, so I really appreciate all the love and support. Thank you very much. If you want, you can follow me on my Instagram below. I'll get Charlie Ez to put that in. Thank you, Charlie, at Harley Brown 10. Yeah, if you want to give me a follow, yeah, thanks for watching. Boom.